Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vintage tips and tricks video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Bea. I'm a vintage glamour enthusiast and musician. I make vintage beauty and style videos with a little bit of sustainability, veganism and lifestyle thrown in for good measure. So if that sounds like your jam, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when my videos come out. Today I have the next What Katie Did unboxing. They've sent me a festive box and so of course I want to share with you guys what's inside. So without further ado, let's get into it.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
I did share a unboxing story over on my Instagram. So of course I've opened the box. So I'll share that with you so you can see what it looked like when it came because it was so incredibly pretty. They had like little Christmas bells on there and ribbon and it came with a calendar and a card. I will show you those. Actually, I have those here. So the card has the gorgeous Scarlett Lux. If you're not familiar with her, she is a pinup model here in the UK and influencer as well. She's big on TikTok and on Instagram and she is stunning. And I got the What Katie Did calendar. So a bunch of babes in here, total babes, some of whom I know in person and some I know from the gram. There's Sam, Blossoms and Buttercups, Lady Eccentric, Vava Voom. So yes, very gorgeous, some beautiful shots in there. And then of course the lingerie. I'm always happy to get What Katie Did lingerie. It literally is the lingerie that I wear every day, so I love working with this brand. This video is not sponsored, but I am an affiliate of theirs, meaning that if you shop with the link down below, I do get a little bit of commission. It doesn't cost you guys any more. It just means that I can make some money from what I do. So if you want to support this channel some other way, that's a lovely way to do it. Check it out down below. I also have a 10% off discount code for you guys as well, which I'll pop up here and down below in the description. It is for a limited time, so make sure you check the dates on that and shop quickly so that you don't miss out on your chance for a discount. So the first thing that they sent me is this gorgeous black lingerie set. I will do a cutaway so you can see what it looks like here, but this is more of a 50s style sort of balconette bra. It's got this gorgeous, what do you say, like almost like a starburst effect on the cup, but the cups are not quite as pointy as the bullet bra style or the cone stitch style, but it does push your boobs up in that very like late 50s, early 60s way when they're all wearing the very low cut dresses and their boobs were just like, hello. It's like that. You'll see in my cutaway anyway, but yes, it's beautiful on. It is going to give you a different silhouette though. So this is my more 50s, early 60s silhouette. They of course sent me the matching briefs. So these are really lovely. They're a power mesh, so they hold you in really nicely and they've got a bit of a cheeky bum because you can see through the bum a little bit. But they've got a lovely satin like diamond shaped panel at the front here, just looks really sexy on. And this one came with a matching, actually I'm going to do this up. I think this is called a corselet. I'm going to double check and put the name up on the screen, but it's sort of like a waspy, but it comes right up under your bust and right down over your hips. So it does cover a little bit more. It is boned throughout. It has the matching satin and power mesh design. And then it has the straps to attach your stockings as well. So really gorgeous and it covers you. So like the bra to the undies is covering your whole body. So like no bits poking out anywhere and also really warm for this type of weather. So I wore it under a suit the other day and I was totally warm. I did pop outside in the suit without a jacket a couple of times and the fact that I had this on underneath stopped the wind getting to me, which was much appreciated. They also sent me a bunch of stockings in some exciting colors. I've only received champagne, claret and black seamed stockings from them so far. So they've sent me some blue ones this time in a variety of colors. So this is champagne and royal blue, champagne and teal, very cute, and champagne and sky colored. So I think that sounds really, really lovely. And I will show you some of those stockings in this video. I know I haven't really shown you the stockings so much in detail as the lingerie in previous videos. So I will do a little bit of a stocking focus in this video for you guys. You should be able to see them on the screen now in the various colors. So yeah, super, super, super cute. I love their stockings. I find they last really, really well if you look after them properly, just way longer than any type of modern stockings do. And I found even if I do put a hole in the toes, which I tend to have a tendency to do, I can darn them back together really easily because they are a reinforced toe. So yeah, love my What Katie Did stockings. And they have sent me for the first time a piece of clothing. So this is a wrap dress. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you just by holding it up, so I'll have to show you in the cutaway. So it is this gorgeous midnight blue color and it's made of rayon. So it's like super duper soft. I can see myself not only wearing this out, but also just wearing it at home if I feel like dressing up vintage for myself, but I want to be comfortable. So that's really good. And it ties together. It's like a wrap dress ties together with these two ties at the back, has little V-neck. Super cute. I'm really liking this. So I know that was sort of a short and sweet one, guys. I just wanted to show you the items in the box. I have done a full review of what Katie did in the first unboxing video that I'll leave you guys to watch if you want more information. But basically, I've been wearing these guys' underwear for years now. I still have all of the items that I've bought from them and I'm still wearing them because they last really, really well. The quality of the stitching and the elastics and everything is really good. So I know it might seem on the pricey side, but it's worth spending the money because you don't need to replace the items, you know? That's the main part of it. And I will say that if you want the vintage silhouette, wearing the right kind of lingerie underneath really creates the right shape for vintage. And if you're buying true vintage, it will also help you fit into certain garments that might fit you through the bust and the hips, but you can't get the waist done up. A lot of the time it's that they're expecting that you're wearing vintage undergarments, and the What Katie Did items will create that shape for you. So that's why I really love the brand. If you want to know more about them, check out the other videos in the playlist that I will link up above. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of the video down below and any suggestions for future videos. Come and follow me on my Instagram. Come and join the Patreon. I do extra content for patrons every month, as well as a music tier where I make music videos. And there's of course extra vintage tips and tricks. We do Zoom meetups and other perks. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.